One of the problems in electricity, working with P equals E times I and E equals I times R, is we don't always have all the pieces that we need. Now, in a separate video, I showed you how sometimes you can calculate what you need from one formula to plug in the piece you're missing in the other. But there's another way to do it. You can also create a new formula from the two existing formulas, and that's what we'll look at today. So, same question as I had in the other video. Calculate P when current is 2 amps and resistance is 100 ohms. Well, P equals E times I. I don't have E. I'm asked for P. I've got a value for I. I don't have a value for E. But I can create a new formula that has P, I, and R in it. I'll explain. So the original formula for power is voltage times current. And as mentioned, I don't have voltage. But I can make a new formula that has P, I, and R in it from the existing ones. So instead of E, since Ohm's law says E equals I times R, so I times R can represent E. So instead of E, I'll put I times R. So that's P equals E times I. Well, E instead of E, since it's equal to I times R, I put I times R there. So I times R times I is I squared. I times I is I squared times R. Now I can solve this because I've got current, I've got resistance, I need current, I need resistance. So 2 amps squared times resistance. So it'll be 4 times 100. It's 400 watts. So there's more than one way to solve these problems. In this case, I made a new formula that had the things I needed, P, I, and R. And this is just one example of many. You can make all kinds of transitions, but this is a representative example to give you the idea. I hope you find it useful because in electricity class, you'll be doing a lot of these things.